Hello everyone. Now let's see my FA1 revision. First week, write the following numbers in ascending order. What is the portion? First and second chapters. Your portion for FA1 is the first and second chapters. Now first week, write the following numbers in ascending order. What means of ascending order? The given numbers we are arranging small to a big. We are arranging small number to a big number. Okay. Now tell me children on which one is the small number? You don't know. Now let's find out which one is the small number. Here you get three numbers. Okay. You get three numbers. In these three numbers, which one is the small? These three has a 3-digit number. First check it. This 3 has a 3-digit number. Every number having 3 digit. So we are checking it in 100 place. 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. These both are same. And this is the 3 is a big. So don't compare this. You want first you need small number. So you comparing these two numbers. We are checking in next place. This 100 is over. Now we are checking in tens place. In first number tens having 5. Here second number tens having 4. 4 is the small number. That's why this 248 is the small number. You should write first small number. Then you comparing these two numbers. 2, 3. 2 is a small. So then you write 253, 324. Okay, we can understand children. Now next one. This is kept in your mind. Ascending order is a small to big. First we have find out the given numbers are having how many digits. Okay. Ascending order. Now which one is the small? 4, 4, 4. So all are 4. So we are checking next place. Tens. 8, 5, 9. You need a small. So 456. Next amount 482. Next 492. Okay. Next 205, 210 and 290. Now ascending order. Okay. Ascending order 205, 210, 290. Which one is the small? 205. 2, 2, 2. Next 0, 1, 9. 0 is the small. So small number is 205. Next 210. Next then 290. Okay. Please write down number. Now this is our first weight. Next bit, fill in the blanks. Next bit, Amma, should I have it? Second bit, fill in the blanks. Now fill in the blanks. students? Now first one 408. 408. 408. Now next one, write the hundreds, tens and ones. That given number, what is our given number? 236. In hundreds, how many hundreds? 2 hundreds. And 3 tens. And 6 ones. Like that. Okay, Amma? Now here putting symbols. 987, 134. Which one is a big? 987. You are putting which symbol? Greater than. Next one, 5,707, 6,790. Which one is a big? 6,790. So you are putting less than. Now the successor of 1540 is, what is the successor? No, after number. Successor means after number. What is the after number? 1541. 1541. Okay. This is our second bit. And 2 more bits is there, Amma. And that is I will give in the next class. What is today homework? Your first bit. Homework. First bit. Write down one time in your homework book. Okay. Whatever you will write in your classwork, that is post in our group, Amma. Okay, these 2 bits. Now I will see you next class. Okay, see you.